Hello everybody! Hello!
Hello, hello.
Yes, I wear sunglasses today. You know why? Look to the window. Oh, today it's sunny. Look, like this. Yeah, it's broken. But Sunny, Sunny, where are you? Oh, here, look. Today it's sunny. About this one, this cat. Look, who knows who's that? Oh. Yes, wait. It's Bob the Frog. Look, he's happy. No, he's not happy. He's just a little sad. Look, like this. Like this one. Do you know why? You remember why he's sad? He's sad because he don't like to eat flies. I don't like flies. But one day, Charlie Armstrong, one day he meets his wife. Who knows who's that? Who's that? Jules. Yes. And Jules showed to Bob the Frog that he can eat this one. Look. This things. I'm here again. Look, he can eat a pear. Yes? An orange maybe. Not orange. An orange. It's more big. Well, for you it's a mandarina. And an apple. Yes? And look. Yes, it's true. A poma, like she said, an apple. Yes? Okay, let's go. And look, he ate these things. It tastes so good. And look, now. How is he now? Look, he's happy. Bob the Frog is happy. Yes? Thank you, Michael. Like you now. Very good. Okay? But this I will tell you next week. Okay? Okay, and now it's time to say goodbye. One hand up, two hands up, and goodbye to you. Goodbye to you. Goodbye to you. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. And I give you one big kiss. Mwah! And see. Very good. And see you next week. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.
Goodbye.
Okay. Today I will tell you a tale. Yes? And this tale's name, look. Bob the Frog. Do you know who's Bob? No? Okay, let's go to start. Once upon a time, there was a frog. His name is Bob. Do you want to say hello to Bob? Hello, Bob. Thank you. But, oh, look. How is he? Look. Oh, he's sad. Look, it's sad. Yes? Like this one. Look. Oh, here. He's sad. Oh, poor Bob. But why he's sad? Do you know why? Because he didn't like to eat flies. Oh, what's flies? Flies, it's this. Oh, Bob didn't like this. But look, the other frogs, oh, about him. Say, it's great. I don't like you. You don't need flies. Yes, look, Bob. Bob was very, very, very sad. Like this. Oh. Can you put that face? Is that very well? This is. Do you want this? For you, this puppet. Wait. But one day, Bob the frog. Who's that? Yes, but who's that? It's Jules. He knows Jules. Yes. And Jules said to him, look, that it's good to eat fruits, yes? Not flies. Just fruits. Do you have here fruits? Some fruits? Let's go to see. Oh my God! Look! Oh! You got a lot of fruits, yes? Look! Jules said to Bob that it's good to eat an orange. Bob eats it. It tastes so good! Very good! Bob eats a pear. Do you like pear? Yum, 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 yum. It tastes so good! Very good! Look! What's this? What's that? It's an apple. Bob eats this. It tastes so good! Very good! And look now. Bob the frog is now happy. Is that? Can you show the puppet? Look, it's like this. Thank you very much. It's happy. Yes, because he can eat something, okay, and doesn't matter what is. Yes. And look at dog. Look at that. This chair is out. Thank you very much.